Hello guys, review smartphone Nokia G22. This version 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look compactation. In compactation, of course, we have device in the blue color, protected back cover, and only Type-C for Type-C cable, without adapter for charging. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side. On the front side, 6.5-inch display. On this side, power key and power button and volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have IPS HD Plus resolution display, 90 Hz. We have clear Android 12. Close this and look under the benchmark results. Battery in device 5000 mAh under the benchmark results. Okay, and run Guitar San Andreas. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this main camera, triple camera, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.